We're Sandra and Håkan. This vlog is 12 hours in Ljubljana. It's packed with beauty, dragons, street art and craft beer. Good morning, this is our first full day in Ljubljana.
And today we're going to explore the city and we have really high hopes. Not because there are a lot of sights, but because the city is so beautiful.
There are so many beautiful buildings, pretty little streets.
The camera's gonna be working hard today, I'm pretty certain of that.
We've just stopped at the main square and we're having breakfast.
It's not a bad view to have with your breakfast.
Breakfast today is iced coffee and what I would like to call summer bowl. Some kind of yogurt with fruits and cereals in it. It will give us energy for the day. The market here is open in the morning and it's only 9:30 now, kind of empty here. What you will see here is a lot of wasps and they're supposed to be here because that shows that the fruit is very fresh and sweet. From Croatia to Ljubljana.
Have a good day.
Nice day.
Bye-bye.
You've learned some Slovenian words.
Ljubljana and Hvala.
Everybody is so friendly here.
Very.
This has to be one of the more beautiful entrances to a mall. Like vending machines here in Slovenia. This one here is for cheese, some beverage, I don't know what it is, eggs, medicine.
And milk. First buy a bottle and then put it in this machine and you fill it up with milk. Fresh cow milk. 1 liter, €1.
Real quick, we have recently partnered up with iVisa, simply because we really appreciate the service that they provide. And now you can get 10% off your next purchase. If you, just like us, love to travel, you know that getting the right travel documents sometimes can be difficult. iVisa is a one-stop shop where you quickly can check if you meet the requirements and to see what options are available for your next destination. So instead of dealing with embassies, you can spend your time planning for your next adventure. To get the 10% discount, you must apply via exploringplanethome.com. Click on the link and your discount is activated. And back to the vlog. There are a couple of exhibitions here, but I think the main reason to come up here is the view. Look at it. You don't need to pay an entrance fee to enter the castle, but you only get access to the courtyard and to a part of the wall, but you still get a very nice view overlooking Ljubljana. If you want to access the tower and the exhibitions, you have to pay an entrance fee of €10. Time for another city collage. If you followed our channel, you know that we really appreciate quirky, odd sights and this definitely qualifies as an odd site. I think it's a neighborhood that's been taken over by artists. Now it's just one big installation.
Working place for an artist has studios.
Yes.
Cool place.
It is. It used to be army place, like, I don't know, 30 years ago, when was this war in Yugoslavia. After that was just 2 years closed. The army left, came with machines and they want to destroy it. In one day, like 1,000 people were here and then they stopped. And after that, with government we made an agreement and now they are activated.
Hey. Ironically, it was the girl at the Hangover Museum in Zagreb who said, always drink the water in Ljubljana. It's fresh and clear from the Alps.
And we're back. We're gonna try to restrain ourselves today and only get a medium-sized. And that is the ice cream dance.
I really like frozen yogurt and ice cream.
And that's a medium one.
I think I got 4 different kind of toppings, 2 different kind of frozen yogurt, and 2 different kind of sauce.
I'd say that there's at least an 80% chance that we will visit this place one more time before we leave.
Traveling, we do taproom safaris. That means trying out crafted beer. Here in Ljubljana, we only found 1 taproom and we need 3 to have a safari. But still, if you find an elephant, a lion and a little funny monkey, you've got to explore it.
Not sure which one is which, but here they are.
Let's start with the IPA. Oh, there's a lot of fruitiness in the scent. Passion fruit. Passion fruit and a lot of honey in the taste as well. I would grade this as 3.3.
On a scale 1 to 5.
The sour, great color. Flourish. Little taste of soap. Not my favorite. Still a good sour, I think. I give it a 2.4. Imperial Stout. Very deep scent of coffee, dark chocolate, little licorice. Ooh, interesting. It's a barrel-aged rum, and you can really taste the rum. Wow, this is a really good style. I would grade it, it's a 4.2. We found a record store.
I'm currently on hold with a car rental company that we're going to use tomorrow. They are taking forever to pick up. But we've ordered some food. Fried rice, dumplings, and some veggie spring rolls. In the smallest restaurant I've ever seen. Really tiny. Now the plan is to go and buy some groceries, because tomorrow we are going on an excursion. We're actually leaving Ljubljana for the day.
We're going to drop the groceries off and then we're going to go and watch the sunset at the Nebojša Novakovic.
The place we were at yesterday with a magnificent view of Ljubljana.
Nebojši.
And that's where we're going. this is as high up as we're gonna get in the building.
It's been a great day here in Ljubljana. We hope you enjoyed it just as much as we have done. And tomorrow we are leaving town, we are going on an excursion.
It's gonna be a lot of fun.
If you subscribe, you won't miss a thing.
Click that subscribe button.
See you tomorrow again.
Bye-bye.